Welcome to this introduction to the Calvarian Automation Value Calculator. One of the questions we most frequently hear from our customers is, how do we quantify the benefits of automation? What we've done is we've taken 4 standard IT service request automation use cases and identified the value from those use cases based on organization size and server infrastructure. The Automation Value Calculator identifies the potential return on investment that can be made using Calvarian solutions and tools. It's a guided calculation using your own data, and it demonstrates the value of automation using information which is tailored to your enterprise and your requirements. So let's take a look at the calculator in action. The summary tab of the calculator shows us a high-level dashboard and overview of this potential return on investment. It allows us to easily change the number of users or servers which are used within the calculations, as we believe that those are two of the key metrics which help us understand the complexity of any particular environment. By default, all 4 of the solutions are selected. If that's not required, we can easily add or remove the solutions, and as we make those changes, we can see that the calculations are updated dynamically. It doesn't matter how many of the solutions you've got selected, we can see in every scenario there's a significant potential return on investment to be made. Within the cost tab, we break down the costs that are involved in running the automation. That's the software licenses, any automation minutes that are involved, as well as the costs for the solutions themselves. And as we move through the standard tabs for each of the solutions, you can see a breakdown of all of the capabilities that exist within those solutions and the amount of time that we believe it takes to carry out those activities manually. We also include metrics for the frequency of those activities, and you can see if you want to change those numbers, so if you believe that you can add AD users manually in less than 60 minutes, or that you need to increase or decrease the frequency, those values can be changed, and the calculations are all updated dynamically. If we move on to the Office 365 solution, we can see it's the same idea. So again, we break down the capabilities, we include the frequency and the time taken to complete those manually, as well as the automation costs, so that we can work out the true benefits of the automation. Again, the VM provisioning solution and the routing remediation solutions, it's the same idea. So in each case, we work out what it costs to manually complete those tasks and what it costs to automatically complete those tasks. And if we want to change those numbers to fit with your environment, it's very easy for us to do that. You can see we can also change the calculation currencies that are used, so the Automation Value Calculator is incredibly flexible, and it helps you to work out what the true value is of automation within your environment. If you'd like any more information, or if you'd like to arrange a call to work through the Automation Value Calculator, please visit our website www.calvarian.com.